So, I have an idea. So these quail feeders, right, I fill them up, and then they get down about this low, and I fill them up again. And I'm left with, like, when it's time to fill them up, I'm left with this, like, quail food that's basically dust. So there's no, like, granules anymore, except for, like, maybe in the corners. So I think what I'm going to do is ferment the dust of the quail food. They don't normally get fermented food. I've never made it for them before. I make it for the chickens. But I think it'll be good for them, and that way I'm not wasting the like dust part of the food. And they get to eat that too, because if it's fermented, it'll be all like chunky and thick and because it's all wet and sticky, so they'll eat it. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna like pour. Yeah, like see, this is just like dust now. Right? Maybe I'll strain it, get some of these leaves out. And that way I can have nice fresh crumbles in the feeders too. And start all over. And just slowly give them this fermented feed. And I think they'll like it. So I'm going to do it just like I do the chicken feed. Just a little splash of apple cider vinegar. And some water. It's definitely dusty. I should have done this in the sink. I'm making a mess now. There we go. Alright. Just until the water covers it. Because it's going to absorb it. Let's mix this up. A little bit more water. Alright, that looks good. Cover it. Come back in 2 days. Give them some fresh crumble in the meantime. Perfect. And we're good to go. Enjoy. They also got a nice fresh new dirt bath today. You enjoying that, Dottie? Yeah, it's good stuff, huh? Get in there. Sweet babies.